Hey, let me show you how you can use camera pro mode on the Samsung Galaxy M15 5G. So first of all, you have to open the more modes, and from this you get access into the pro mode. In the pro mode, you can actually adjust every parameter of the photo manually. So first, when you select, for example, this ISO, you can actually find this information icon. And if you don't know what actually ISO do, you can actually read this short description. So now you can actually check this for every parameter. And now if you are actually familiar with all of these settings, we can start, for example, from the ISO. So as you can see, we can actually move ISO from 50 to 3200, and we can also set it automatically. The same it looks for the shutter speed. We can set shutter speed for the 10 seconds or, for example, for 1 second. And now we have to just wait 1 second until the photo will be taken, and also we can set it automatically. From this we can find the exposure compensation, and as you can see, this is the only parameter that we can only change manually. There's like no this automatic button. From this we can change the focus range. So now I will try to show you how it looks on some mascot, for example this one. When I'm gonna move it like this, as you can see, we can find this green color on the mascot. So it's actually showing us where the camera actually catching the focus. So if you want to actually take the photo of this mascot, it should be around 0.3. When I go, for example, for the 1.0, as you can see, it's out of the focus. But still, we can use the automatic focus. Next, when you go into the white balance, we can also change it like this by moving this slider to the left or to the right. And next we can go into the right upper corner when we can adjust contrast. We can also do the same for the highlights. From this we can find shadows, saturation, tint. Right here we can also change the matrix metering. When you change it, you will actually find short description about this. From this we can also change the camera aspect ratio, enable, for example, the camera timer, and enable the shutter delay. There we go, and the photo was taken. So as you can see, that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe.